talking to
Hey,
you?
brother. What you talking? Hey, Max. Why are you hitting me?
Keep talking to him. He's talking to you.
Hey, brother. Why are you putting your hand right there? Why? Tell me why.
You want to tell him a story?
Hey, brother. I love you. Brother, I love you. I love you. Brother, I love you. He said I love you too. Hey, brother. What you doing? Hey, brother. Why does your nose have boogers in them? Why do you have boogers in your nose? Why do you have boogers in your nose? Why? Why do you have boogers in your nose? Why do you have boogers in your nose?